data type, okay? And then that is imports. So this variable's type is string, and again, this variable's type is string. Why? Because this 56 is no longer an integer here, because it's imports. Then you can see why here it's an integer. Yes, because we are using the int function to convert the string value into an integer value. We can see here why it is holding a float value. This is a comment. A comment begins with a hash symbol, and then the following are the words of your comment. Then this one is what we call a complex C data type in Python. Okay? We see here we can use print. Inside the brackets, we have the type function. This function tells you the type of the variable, its data type. Then it will give you that type. Then that type will be printed by this function so that you see it on screen. So that's all for today. And next time we are going to expand on this.